updated your Mac Pro with one of these, it's a great upgrade and Apple is kind enough to have drivers to natively support these newer cards. But then you go into your About This Mac screen, hit System Report, and are greeted with this. 2.5 gigabits a second at only an 8x link speed. What gives? That's when I started doing some research. I ran into a YouTube channel named RutK Mods. They have all kinds of videos on updating cheese grater Mac Pros, from the first generation dual processor DDR2 models to the last 2012 models with dual processors and DDR3 memory. But back to the purpose of this video. If you're serious about your performance with the new GPU, this beta firmware is of value to you. Yes, it does give me the full PCI bandwidth of 5 gigabits a second, but it doesn't fix the 8x issue. Further modifications or updates may be necessary. Here's how to do this firmware update and get your AMD RX series card or NVIDIA 900 or 1000 series GPU fully supported. First, you'll want to make sure that your computer has metal supported card. The RX 560 in this Mac Pro is a go. Second, you'll want to go to the Apple website and sign up for the macOS Beta program. It's free and you could beta test Mac OS X, iOS, and or tvOS as well. Download all the necessary files to become a beta tester, install them, and you'll be prompted to open up the App Store. Once the App Store opens, then you'll be able to download the macOS Mojave Beta. It will show that a firmware update is needed to complete this install. This is where the magic happens. If you only want the firmware, then here's how to do it. Shut down your Mac as you are instructed. Hold the power button until you hear this old school computer beep, and then the DVD tray will open up. You'll know the update is taking place when these two actions happen. The firmware will update and your Mac Pro will reboot itself. Upon reboot, you'll be greeted with this screen to complete the installation of macOS Mojave Beta. If you should wish to do so, here are the steps to complete this process. Open up the Disk Utility app, choose your boot drive. For this computer, it's Macintosh hard drive. Yes, we kept it old school. Press the partition button and choose how large you would like the second partition for the Beta OS to be. We chose around 40 gigabytes as we plan to go ahead and install Mojave once it's released. Press Apply to complete the formatting process. You'll wait a while for the process to complete and then go back to the installer. Here you'll press Continue, Agree, and then Agree. At this screen, if you have multiple drives, select Show All Disks and select the partition for the installation of the Beta OS. Press Install and allow the installation to happen. There you have it, a firmware update to get the full speed of your GPUs in High Sierra and stay on High Sierra. But if you should decide you want to upgrade to macOS Mojave Beta, now you know how to go ahead and do it, and you'll be able to install Mojave once it comes out in a couple days. I trust you learned something and enjoyed watching this video today.